video, I will show you how to create a table of your personal or of your employees' personal information. Okay, the first step is to launch Microsoft Excel and then click to File, New, and Workplace. Okay. After opening out Excel, you need to go to the File here and click New and blank workbook. Okay. Third to the 11th step is also the same. Just write in the title of the column. So after you write the title, okay, you just fill in the name, the staff ID, the name, staff ID, and the email, and the overtime column. So it will become like this. So after completing the step 3 to 11, you will get this type of list. Yeah. The the first column, the first row is name, staff ID, email, role, overtime, the overtime rate, pay rate, uh, basic salary, EPF, and total salary. Okay, this is just for the example, but you can just change it if you doesn't have any of this column. Okay, after filling in the name, staff ID, email, and overtime column, we need to fill in the role column first. Okay, in order to fill in the role column, I will be using the data validation function. Okay, before that, if you refer in the manual, it says that you need to open a new sheet here. Just click the plus symbol, and then the next step is to insert the list of role you have. So here, this is my example. Yeah, this is my list of role. After that, you just click enter and just click OK. So after that, you will see this arrow, the white arrow, will come out on the cell that you select. But the bottom cell doesn't have the arrow, so you need to just click this. If you can see it, there are a small box here, small square box here. Okay, you just click it and you drag it at it down. Okay, so after that you will see that all the cell will have the same function here, same arrow. So to use this arrow, you need to click it and just choose your employee's role here. Okay, moving on to the next step, you need to click on the data tab, and then you go to data tools here, data tools, and then you click data validation, and in this allow you insert as list in the source. You click this arrow, and then you click on sheet 2 or the sheet that you use to create the list. Okay, and then you just drag the list here. Okay. Okay, the next step is we need to calculate the total overtime payment. So if you look at the manual, it says here you just need to double click on cell F2 and type equal E2 star 5.50. So just double click F2 equal and then E2, which is the overtime row, and then you just type star and 5.50. So you just type enter. The star here will represent the multiply. So you just like so 4 multiplied by 5.5, and then it just equal to 22. So after that, you just click the small box here and just drag it down so that you can calculate all the value of overtime payment. Okay, moving on to the basic salary column, we will be using the function of VLOOKUP. So before typing the function, we need to create a table here. So go to the previous sheet where you put the role list Then you just put the salary of the role here, and just select all of it and go to insert and click table here and just tap OK, so that you can create the table. Okay, so click on G2, double click on G2, then you just type the equal VLOOKUP. So here, just click on it, click the VLOOKUP, double click it, and then the VLOOKUP value is the role, yeah, because our basic salary is based on the role. So just after click the role column, which is D2, and then you put comma here, and table array is the table that you use to give, I mean the table you use which have the role and its basic salary. So just select all the table, and then go up here and you put comma here, and then this column index number represent the column that you want, which is the basic salary column, and it is the second column in the table. So you just type 2 here and then comma again and just click true, and then you just click enter, and after that the basic salary for each role will appear here, and you just need to click on the small box and drag it down, and all the basic salary will appear. Moving on to the next column, which is EPF. EPF is 11% of the basic salary, so we just need to multiply the basic salary by 0.11, which equal to 11 over 100. So to calculate the EPF, we will be using the formula we use on the overtime here, which is the star, yeah, multiply formula. So just double click on H2, and then you type equal, and you select the basic salary column here, and then put star and 0.11 because it's timed by 0.11, and then just enter, and as usual just click on the small square and just drag it down to calculate all of it. Okay, to calculate the total salary we will be using the sum function, which is equal sum, and double click it here, and then you just insert the column that you want to calculate, which is the overtime or total payment, basic salary, and APF. So just click on here, click first column, then put the plus sign, then basic salary, again plus sign, and the EPF, and then put, after that you put a column and enter. So it will calculate all of the total salary. Just as usual, just drag it down here, and it will calculate all of your employees' total salary. Okay, lastly, what you need to do is you need to add a border to your table. So you just select all the content here and go to home, click home, and you click font, borders here, borders, and you put all border. So it will have the border like this. So it will look more like table here. So after that, you can center the content so that it will look more organized. So as usual, just select the content you want to center, then click home and alignment and center, this one. Okay, just click center and it will center. For the overtime and total salary column, you can see that some of the value have the decimal point, but some doesn't have the decimal point. So we will just give all of the value here, all of the number value a decimal point, so that it will be more organized. So just select all the value you want to and then go to home and number, and then you find increase decimal. So you just click increase decimal, and all of the decimal point will be the same. That's all for the video, and thank you for watching.